left-hand motor rule. A current carrying wire in a magnetic field experiences a force. A current carrying wire in a magnetic field experiences a force. The direction of the force is given by the left-hand motor rule. The direction of the force is given by the left-hand motor rule. So hold out your left hand. Your first finger is the field, B, the direction of the magnetic field. Your second finger is the direction of the current that's passing through this field. And your thumb is the direction of the motor force. Now, it's this principle that is used in the moving coil ammeter. Here we have a current source, it's a battery, and it's putting a current through this loop of wire, which is in a north to south magnetic field. So you point your first finger north to south, and the current here is pointing this way into the board. So you turn it over, so you've still got your first finger pointing north to south. Your second finger, the current is flowing that way. So the force on this side of the loop is down. So we've got a force on this side of the loop is down. But on the other side, the current's coming the other way. So the field's still in the same direction, but now the current's coming out of the board and the force is up. So this is tending with a downward force on this side and an upwards force on this side to turn our coil round. And there's an axle in the middle of the coil attached to a spring which resists this and calibrates your ammeter. Now, the coil in an ammeter can only turn through 90 degrees, and that's no good when we're talking about electric motors. The coil in an ammeter can only turn through 90 degrees. Then it gets stuck. We need a motor to rotate continuously. So what you have in a motor is a thing called a split ring commutator. So that would sit here. That would sit here where the power leads join to the coil, and what it would do is it would swap over the contacts every half turn so that the current in this side of the coil was always going in the same direction, so the force would always be down on this side of the coil and up on the other. And it also uses multiple coils in electric motors. So it's a mixture of multiple coils of wire and split ring commutators which allow the current in the coils to reverse. It is possible to construct a motor that turns continuously.